So I put a Genesis dual battery kit on this thing because I was going to put a fridge in it and everything for camping purposes. So I can put the part numbers and stuff if you guys need it. It doesn't really look very clean because I've got the ARB wiring here for the compressor. But anyway, Genesis dual battery kit, the Odyssey batteries, and what I did, oops, I guess that's not clipped on there, but what I did was I ran 2 4-gauge wires down here into the Jeep. I ran it along this passenger well and came over here to the back because I wanted everything to run off the house battery, and I actually got this pulled apart. So what I did was I put this fuse panel in here, ran my positive and negative to that, got a little 15 amp fuse going to this guy, this blue C thing, and then I can flip it on and flip it off when I'm ready to use the fridge, ready to charge stuff. And like I said, this is all apart. I'll put a picture in here with it back together. And then I have this Engel fridge. This thing is the best thing ever. It is so nice to have a fridge, keep stuff cool, and then not have to worry about anything when you're out camping. It's enough space to, you can go a couple days with stuff. It is absolutely fantastic. Here's what my fridge situation looks like with it all buttoned up in here. I just strapped it down just to keep it safe so it doesn't fly everywhere. And then when I'm ready for the fridge, I turn on the blue C. Gives me a nice voltage, and then I just turn on the fridge. And this fridge, I mean, you don't have to put it on much more than 2. I guess it would help if I plugged it in. All right, let's do that. Plug it in. Now turn it on. Yeah, so like I was saying, at about 2, it stays cold, and that's not a accurate temperature. And they tell you that in the instructions. This thing's quiet. I've slept in the Jeep. It didn't bother me none. With it here, you can open it. It doesn't stay open, but it's not a big deal. It's got a little light in there too. This is deep. I believe this is the 40-quart one. I think. I don't remember. I love this thing though. It works great. So like I said, I just ran my battery cables back along the passenger side and then along the front of the back seat, up into here, into that fuse panel, and then I just ran some wiring over to this plug here. Powers the whole thing. I haven't had any issues. It works fantastic. Jeep's went off for a full day and it doesn't kill the battery running even when it's hot out. Let me know if you have any questions about this.